Guys, welcome back to English Booster. Let me ask you something. Imagine you were studying for 2 hours and then your friend called you. How would you describe this in English? This is where the past perfect continuous tense comes in. Don't worry about the long time, it's actually very easy. Let's understand it step by step. Have you ever wanted to say that something was happening for a long time before another event happened in the past? For example, I had been studying for 2 hours when my friend called me. This is called the past perfect continuous tense. Let's understand it in the simplest way. Past perfect continuous tells us about an action that was continuing for some time before another point or event in the past. I had been studying for 2 hours when my friend called. First, I was studying, then my friend called. So, the studying happened first and continued for some time before the second past event. The formula is very easy. Subject plus had plus been plus the main verb with ing. For example, I had been working, she had been reading, they had been playing, and remember, had is used with every subject. We mainly use past perfect continuous in two situations. First, show the duration of an action before another past event. She had been waiting for an hour before the bus arrived. Second, when an earlier continuous action explains a result or situation in the past, he was tired because he had been working all day. Often use for and since with this tense. Use for a period of time. I had been studying for 3 hours. Use since for the starting point. She had been working since morning. To make negative sentence, simply add not after had. She had not been studying, or in short, she hadn't been studying. To make question, bring had to the beginning. Had you been waiting for me? Had she been studying? And the short answers are yes, I had, or no, I hadn't. Here are 3 common mistakes. Don't say I had working. Say I had been working. Don't say she had been studying. Say she had been studying. And remember, don't change had according to the subject. Not has been, always had been plus verb being plus ing. Quick question. They waiting for 2 hours before the train arrived. The answer is they had been waiting for 2 hours. So remember the golden formula: subject plus had plus been plus verb plus ing. Use it when an action continued for some time before another past event or point in the past. That's past perfect continuous. Now you know it.